Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payouts with impact radius to your bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer payouts with impact radius to your bank, log into your impact radius account. Navigate to the reports section on the dashboard. Select payouts from the drop-down menu. Locate the payout you wish to transfer. Click on the payout to view the details. Ensure that all required information is correct. Next, click on the transfer button associated with the selected payout. You will see options for various transfer methods. Choose your preferred bank transfer option. Enter the necessary banking details, including your account number and routing number. Double-check the information for accuracy. If applicable, select the transfer amount you wish to send to your bank. Review any transaction fees that may apply. Confirm the transfer request by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Check your email for a transaction confirmation from Impact Radius. Monitor your bank account for the payout to be deposited. Allow up to a few business days for the transfer to complete. If you experience any issues, reach out to Impact Radius support for assistance. Keep track of future payouts to ensure timely transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.